Hello, welcome back to my new video. It's a blockbuster video here. We create an ultimate gaming PC under 65K with the ultimate 36K 60 graphic card. You can play game in 4K quality, and you got a good FPS due to graphic card. It's an ultimate high-level PC with RGB cabinet. Without wasting your time to build this ultimate PC. Here are your components, and in this PC, first component is processor. In this build, we use Intel i5 Ultra-400F processor. It's come with 6 core and 12 threads. The base frequency of this processor is 4.2 gigahertz, and boost frequency is 4.5 gigahertz. This processor is Intel 12th generation processor, so we get PCIe Express 4.0 in this CPU, which is capable to run your C30 and 40 series graphics card. Let's go to the next component, which is RAM. We use XPG Spectrix D5016G single stick RAM, which is clocked 3200 megahertz. DDR4 frequency. This is fully RGB strip RAM. We use single stick RAM. You can use another stick RAM in future for upgrade. So let's go, baby, to your next component, which is storage here. We use Crudio P3 plus 1 TB NVMe SSD. This SSD is Gen 4 SSD, which speed is 5000 megabytes per second. It's enough storage for this ultimate PC build. It comes with heat sinks. So let's go, baby, to the next component, which is motherboard. We use MSI B760 Bomber Wi-Fi motherboard. It's a micro ATX motherboard, which can support DDR5 frequency RAM. This motherboard is fully future-proof. It supports PCIe Generation 4, so it's a perfect combo with RTX 3060 graphic card. This is the perfect motherboard for this ultimate PC. So bro, here's your favorite graphic card presenting NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12GB DDR6 graphic card. It support PCIe Gen 4. Gen 4 slot. It's give you a better gaming experience. It helps you to get more FPS in your 4K quality games. You can easily play GTA 5, Valorant, Forza Horizon 5. And many game with a better experience here. We use Circle CG raw 650 watt power supply, which comes with 80 plus bronze certification, which is perfectly handle your total build power consumption. So finally, let's go to the cabinet in this build. We use Galaxy Revolution RGB cabinet, as it's a white theme cabinet. So it looks so classy. It's have a side tempered glass and 4 RGB fans, so it build cost around sub K. If you like this video, it's help us to being motivated. Thanks for your lovely comments, and don't forget to subscribe.